In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine 2 or more videos in Premiere Pro. So what you need to do once you've opened up Premiere Pro is get the videos into the software. So to do that, you need to open up File Explorer. Here I've got 2 videos just in my downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. Now what we can do is we can highlight them all and we can either drag them on to the project media here, or you can drag them straight onto the timeline. So again, make sure they are actually highlighted and just drag them on. I'm going to drag them into the project media here. So that will be the project section. Again, you can just drag them straight onto the timeline. I'm going to drag them now onto the timeline. And here we can see we've got the 2 clips, which you can see they're visible. We can click and interact on both clips. Now, you just want to make sure before you export these that 1, they're in the right order, and 2, they are both the same dimensions. For example, this clip here of the guy driving the car is 1920 by 1080, but this clip here of the waves crashing in is actually 4K. So what I can do is I can click on this clip, then I can go to Effect Controls in the top left hand corner, and then I can change the scale and bring it down from 100 to 50, and you can see now we've got all of the clip in shot. So just a quick tip, if you're shooting in multiple resolutions, you may want to adjust your clips. If you want to move your clips around, so maybe we want the waves to start, we can do that, and we can just drag them like so. Now we need to make an in and out point so we can export them. To do that, move this blue line to the start and click on I on the keyboard, then move it near to the end and click O on the keyboard. Then you can just drag and be precise. And now you've marked your in and out point. Now we can go to File in the top left hand corner. We can then go ahead and click Export, then click on Media. Now you will be able to see the output dimensions. So mine are currently 1920 by 1080. You can go ahead and change the file name as well as the location. I'm going to keep my location on the downloads, and I'll just change the file to Video Combine. For the format, if you're doing anything with video or online video, I would recommend H.264. Don't change it to anything else. Then go ahead and click on Export. You will then get this progress bar, which will go to 100%. Once that has finished, you can then minimize or close Adobe Premiere. And then if you go to your folder, you should see your new video, which you can go ahead and open. Now we can see we've got the first video and the second video combined into one video track. Thank you for watching.